Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from Emmanuel FOREX Traders. I'm here with a beautiful forecast on US30, stop loss of 18 pips and target of 730 pips right here, making it a 1 to 40 risk reward ratio. Make sure you watch the rest of the video so that you avoid missing out on trades like you've been missing out. Alright, so make sure you watch the rest of this video. Let's go. All right, welcome back. So let me just show you what made me look at this particular trade and everything else. And remember, make sure you subscribe, like the video so that you don't get to miss out on beautiful setups that we share both on our Facebook and our YouTube, right? So let's go to the daily time frame so that we're able to determine what's happening in the market. And from the daily time frame, we can clearly see that the market has been pushing to the upside for a very long time. All right, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. What can we see from here? We can see a similar pattern that is happening right here. We've seen the market which has been consistently going to the upside, and like I always say, when we have a market which is going in a certain direction, therefore it's our desire to be able to trade in that particular direction. All right, so what I did is that I came to the 4-hour time frame and I was able to note this beautiful drop right here. So I had to go to the 2-hour time frame for me to be able to look clearly what was happening. Okay, from here you can see that we had a drop base rally. I know you can't appreciate the base right here because it's only a week. All right, so we have a drop base rally to the upside which broke structure by big momentum candles. That is a plus. And then what do we have? We have we have equal lows which were left behind right here. This is liquidity that was left behind here. It was engineered behind here. So what do? We always wait for the market to pull back and take out this liquidity. Therefore, we won't take this trade until the market comes and takes out this liquidity, comes into our area. Then we can potentially look forward for buying opportunities. And you can see right now the market has just taken out the Asian session to the upside. Therefore, what we are anticipating for us to get involved is that we want to see the market dropping to the downside, taking out the Asian session low, and then also these equal lows which were left behind here. Then we can now push price to the upside, targeting these highs right here. You can see that this is a 730 target and the stop loss of 18 pips right here. So make sure you check, you stay alert and wait for this market. Make sure set alert so that you don't miss out this particular trade when it actually comes to fruition. All right, so this is how it's looking. So let me just show you how I was able to get my order block. You know, it's very important for you to be able to get that refined entry. So this is supposed to be 18 pips. Let me just correct that. So this is 18 pips right here. So it's always important for you to be able to refine your entries so that you don't you're not taking big of a stop loss. You know, it's always important for you to have that minimum stop loss that you can take. And I know this is US30. That's the reason why you are seeing my stop loss a little bit big today, because and our target is also very big, so it allows you that room for it to actually play out. All right, so it's always important for you to do that. So you have to go all the way to the lower time frame so that you find what you're looking for. So let me show you. I had to go to the 1 minute time frame for me to look at what caused that change of character, what candle caused that situation to happen. So I have to go to the lower time frame and find the last candle that caused the break of structure, and then I'll mark that. And then I just have to do the waiting. That's all you can do. Wait until the market comes to you. That's all you can do. In the meantime, you have nothing else to do. All right, so you can clearly see that this is the candle I got. So I got this week right here. This week is the one that I went for. Let me just show you. I went for this week right here. This is the last bearish pin bar bearish candle before the bullish move that took price to the upside. So this is what I'm going to focus. So for the chart to look nice, I had just to take it all the way here. And now the waiting game starts, right? So we just have to now start waiting for price to pull back into this area, and once it does, then we'll be able to execute this trade. Remember, all these forecasts are sent in our M&F mentorship community. All right, so we always forecast these particular trades in our M&F mentorship community, and if those particular trades now come to our level, then we can take them and send them into our signals community. However, members in our mentorship community know when to take these trades even when I've not sent. So we can find that some of the trades will be sent here and will not appear in the signals community, and that's because they were sent as forecast in our M&F mentorship community. And this is the community of traders who've taken our course and they understand exactly how we trade, therefore they don't need me to actually spoon feed them. All right, so if you want to be part of this community right here, who are knowledgeable enough to be able to take their trades on their own as long as the forecast has been sent, the first link in the description has you covered. It has lifetime mentorship, lifetime signals when you enroll in our M&F mastery community mastery course, which comes with lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals and a lot of videos that will be able to teach you and trade like I've always shown you. All right, so if you found value in this video, make sure you subscribe and like the video, and remember, watch out for this particular trade because this can be a banger of a trade. All right, you guys, I hope you found value. Until next time, goodbye.